Hey guys, how's it going? How to redirect pages and folders on Hostinger. First of all, go ahead to the official website and make sure that you buy the best plan. And if you find the best plan, visit the link in the description box. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to the official website. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead to the website and then dashboard, search for redirect on the sidebar, click on it, and then fill in the following, like the redirect path, redirect URL or IP, or redirect to. Right, once everything is ready, click on create. All right, and to redirect your domain to HTTPS, ensure that the SSL is installed, the SSL certificate, of course. And if you want to remove the redirect, go to your website, the dashboard, search for redirects on the sidebar, on the left sidebar, and click on it. Locate the desired redirect in the list of redirects section. Next, click on the trash bin icon to cancel the redirection. And once deleted, the domain will stop redirecting to endpoint to its original destination record according to its DNS zone. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.